In this video, I'll show you how you can wear multiple face accessories in Roblox. Now first step is you want to head over to Roblox. Then from in here, go to avatar. Then once you're in here, you want to choose accessories and choose the face. Now if you have more than only one pair, let's see you have 2 or 3, what you can do is you can right click on all of them. This one, right click, that one, and open in a new tab. Once you've done this with all, you will have them up here. Then you want to press advanced. And from in here, you will see some numbers. Now on this one, you want to head over to one of them, copy these numbers right here from the URL and put them in. Then you want to go to the next one, copy the numbers, put them in, the next one, copy, put them in. And then when you press save, you will be able to wear multiple at once. So that's basically how you can do it in Roblox, guys. Now, I really hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.